Hey guys, this is how we make our lasagna. We'll start off by cutting 2 green onions. Tasty sauce, we've mixed 3 types of meats: minced meat, Italian sausage, and pork ribs. In a frying pan, we're gonna add some olive oil and saute green onions. Now we're gonna add our minced meat. We cook the meat until golden brown. Now add half a cup of water to a pot. And now add the minced meat into the pot. Now we wipe the frying pan and add more olive oil. And now we're gonna saute the pork ribs and sausage. You can substitute the pork ribs for beef ribs. When golden brown, now add the pork ribs and sausage to the minced meat in the pot. So next you'll need tomato sauce with herbs and spices and strained crushed tomatoes. We'll be adding the sauces and the crushed tomatoes to the meat. We'll also add another cup of water. We'll also mix in some salt and pepper. Also adding a pinch of sugar. And a pinch of baking soda. So we're gonna stir now and add the lid and cook for about an hour on medium-low temperature. Now we'll continue by boiling 4 eggs. So now we'll continue by cutting mushrooms. We're gonna saute in a frying pan with the mushrooms, the green onion. We saute the mushrooms until they're golden brown. Add in salt and pepper. Once the mushrooms are golden brown, we'll set them aside. Now we'll continue by slicing our boiled eggs. Once all sliced, we'll also set these aside. The first layer of the lasagna will be the meat sauce. Make sure it's evenly spread on the tray. The next layer is going to be the oven-ready lasagna pasta. So now we're going to add some more tomato sauce. Sprinkle or add eggs. mushrooms now. Evenly spread ricotta. Now sprinkle some mozzarella cheese, and we'll do the same steps again. On the top, we add some mozzarella cheese, and that's the final product. We put aluminum paper on top. Cook in the oven for 45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We hope you enjoy.